This is why you want to go to school, pay attention, so you don't have to do this type of grunt work, okay? All right, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna go and see if there's a way to add more air to this one room. They enlarged it. Used to be an office, and now it is a large bedroom. Looks like a master bedroom now. But the duct looks like maybe a 5 at this, or 6-inch at the largest. So we're gonna go and see what we can do for them. For this, all we need is a headlamp, another flashlight, measuring tape. And I almost forgot knee pads. I'm gonna show you the vent. That's not blowing very much. All right, so there is the vent right there. I'll get you a little closer. So it looks like it's maybe a 5 or a 6. We'll go in the attic and check it out and see what's going on.
This is it. Don't get scared now.
All right, fun times. Here we go. I do not like blown in insulation. Every time you go in the attic, you're all sweaty, sticks to your body. All right. Oh yeah, it's a 6-inch. Right there, it says 6-inch. And it's coming from way over there. Okay, so before I jump in there, I'm gonna go and bring a roll of tape so that if I can fix it off, might as well fix it. That way I don't have to crawl in there. There, see, it's like 26.5 at the apex. Forgot to mention. Looks like there's a little rat trail right here. See it?
I can't help myself. I like good food, okay?
Let's probably use that insulation to make their nest. All right, so let's go grab the duct tape. And the van is a mess again today. My God, I haven't put it back together. Don't judge. That's giving me anxiety just looking at it.
I'm not messy, I'm busy.
Lights, camera, action. There we go. Oh my God, I don't want to fall through the ceiling. Okay, looks like the duct has been already patched right there once. And you can see all the rat droppings. Oh, Jesus. That can't be healthy to inhale. I didn't bring a dust mask because I thought I was going to be just in and out. You see that? Just a whole lot of deliciousness.
Oh my God, that is so gross.
Quick PSA. This is why you want to go to school, pay attention, so you don't have to do this type of grunt work, okay? You can be working as an engineer in an office, drafting plans for somebody to build, and then for somebody else to go and install and somebody else to go and repair. So do your homework, pay attention in school, okay? Alright, so it looks like they ripped through the insulation, but not the liner inside. I'm still gonna put some tape on it. Oh, it feels cool right here. It must be open to the basement. Cross between. Oh yeah. See that? It's open to the bottom. I can feel that cool air coming up in here. So that'll do for now, like the song says. That duct was not open.
It wasn't open?
From the inside it wasn't. So that's not gonna improve the airflow. Well, we weren't able to fix it. But I'm gonna quote her for installing a larger duct to that bedroom. And hopefully she says, it's a package unit, by the way. I don't think I mentioned. It's a down shot, so the plenums are in the attic. They penetrate to the roof. Look, you can probably see it right here.
What we've seen speaks for itself.